Hi, Ingrid. So we were talking about conditional probability. And just like the video, I'm not going to use the formula at all because I don't have to, because I'm given this frequency table. And so this frequency table is going to help me come up with the exact same answers that you came up with, like you said, for your other answers. So you use the formula, which is awesome, great, proud of you. But I want to show you how you can also use the frequency table. All right, so the first question, let me go back to the first question, or the first question that deals with frequency, or conditional probability, excuse me, is the probability that a person tests positive given that they have the zombie virus. And I believe your table looks something similar to this. So that they test positive given that they have the zombie virus. So all of these people here have the zombie virus. So that's out of 50, right? And that they test positive is 48. And this is the exact same answer you got for B, which is 0.96. So as you can see, that's the exact same answer. I didn't even have to do all the other calculations because I get it just by looking at my frequency table. The next one, C. It says the probability that a person tests positive given that they do not have the zombie virus. Okay, so now I want to look at all the people that do not have the zombie virus. So all these people do not have the zombie virus. All right, and so that would be out of 150, excuse me. And they test positive is 15 of those people. And once again, this is the exact same answer you got, right? Which was 1 out of 10, right? Or 10%. D. I think D is the next one. Nope, not D. The probability of the person, so E is the next one. The probability that a person tests negative given that they have the zombie virus. So the probability that a person tests negative given that they have the zombie virus. So E, they have the zombie virus, right? So these are the people that have the zombie virus, and we want the people that test negative. So that's 2 of them are going to test negative. So out of the people that have the zombie virus, 2 of them are going to test negative. And then the probability that a person tests negative given that they do not have the zombie virus. Okay, once again, we have probability that a person tests negative given that they do not have the zombie virus. So all of these people do not have the zombie virus. This is F. So again, this is out of 150. And we want the people that test negative. I think it was negative. Let me go back. Person that tests negative. So that's 135. And again, this was the exact same probability that you came up with using your formula. Now, there's nothing wrong with using the formula. I think the formula is awesome. But when you're given this frequency table, you just don't have to use it. And it becomes a little bit more simpler to just see everything because it gives you all those probabilities. Now, I gave you a website and a video. The website had actual probabilities on their chart. This one doesn't have the actual probabilities. This one just has a total and a tally. So those were a little bit different. I was just trying to show you those differences. But I hope that this helps.